Welcome to the channel. In this video, we look at how to use items from around the house to create steadier camera shots using your cell phone. Check it out. Tip 1 is a plastic cup. A plastic cup can be used to help steady the camera by cutting slits in either the top or in this case the bottom. You can set it up to hold your camera to either shoot down on an angle, or if you flip your camera over, you can be shooting upwards. Whether you use the top or the bottom of the cup, it really doesn't matter. It's just a matter of getting the camera steady in a position to take your shots. Similar to the plastic cup, we've got the cardboard box. Cardboard box, again, just with some slits. This one came from Amazon. This one, hey, everybody's got some KD lying around. Cut a slit that will hold your camera. This one here I find is a little wobbly because it's obviously narrow and not as stable. The box that came from Amazon for something is a bit wider, and this one here I just went straight up and down to do more of a dust shot. I could always put a book underneath it to get different angles. Tip number 3, find some Lego and create your own steady tripod. I gave this challenge to my 12-year-old son and he came up with something pretty quick where I can sit this object down and slide my camera in and keep it steady that way. He also set it up so that I could flip it around and shoot like that. Tip number 4 is find a stick. It doesn't have to be a mini stick, but here I can take my camera and an elastic and wrap it around to create my own selfie stick. Slide it down here and flick it into a bucket of sand. If I wanted to, I could also spin this phone around, making sure I have the camera on the top part and double banding it. When I go this way, I tend to use 2 elastics just because there's more. And then if I go back to my cardboard box, I can slide that in there. And again, I've got a steady shot for my camera. Tip number 5, if you've got a lamp lying around the house, this one here is very versatile. It spins up and down and slides up and down and pivots as well here and then rotates here. So this as a whole to me resembles a tripod. And I took these 3 alligator clips. On one of them, I put some felt pads in there because I didn't want to harm my phone. And I also stretched it out first by pulling it and taking away some of the pressure. I clipped that onto my phone and then I use the 2 other clips to help clamp onto device. And here, all of a sudden, I've got a tripod. You can set up all kinds of shots that are nice and steady. Hopefully these 5 tips helped. Keep shooting, be creative.